Of course, our whole goal in hiring is to attract and hire stars. See, typical hiring methods, which are having no methods, usually it's just gut. It's just a person walks in and you ask some questions that you've picked up along the way and you try to see into their soul. And those hiring methods typically have a 30% chance of finding stars. A systematic method will raise your chances of finding a star to 80%. So that's why I think a process is so important, because it's not just your gut, it's not just tips and tricks that you've picked up from other places, but this method is really based on data. I want to pick up as much data from your past as I can, because that data is going to give me a good indication of what I'm going to get in the future. Here's a true statement: hiring decisions are the most important decisions you make, and they're the hardest ones to undo. That was said by Peter Drucker, who is probably the foremost management consultant of the whole last century. And that was his biggest insight, is that the decisions you make on the people that you bring on and into your organization are the most important decisions that you make. And they're really tough to change if you make a mistake in those decisions. Now take a minute and silently read through this slide that talks about the power of people skills.